Let's look at a couple finding missing value with range. Range, as we talked about, is the difference between the smallest and the largest data values. So you would take the largest minus the smallest, and that will give you the range. And I'm again going to go ahead with the equations in this situation. The range of a data set is 15. If the smallest number in the set is 28, what is the largest? So I like to have students set up an equation so we make sure we're subtracting the correct numbers from each other. Some students might see 28 and 15 and just say 28 minus 15 is 13. 13 is the largest number and not really think about the fact that if the smallest number is 28, 13 can't be the largest number. So we set up the equation, we go back and we look at this. The range is 15. So 15 goes in for range. The smallest number is 28. Okay, so we've got something minus 28, which gets us to 15. And again, if we've done solving equations already, we can review that by saying we would add 28 to both sides to solve the equation. Or we can just say to students, what number minus 28 is 15? How would you find that number? You would add them together. 15 plus 28 is 43. And so the largest number is 43. And again, they can check that. They can put it back into the equation, 43 minus 28, do the calculation on the calculator, maybe to check themselves, and find that it is 15. And a second one, the range of a data set is 21. So if we're going large minus small equals range, range is 21. Now this time the largest number is 60. So we've got 60 here minus something equals the range. Now, as solving the equations in this situation, this might be a harder one for students. So you might just have to say to them, 60 minus what number is 21? How can we find that? We can do 60 minus 21 and get the missing number. If you wanted to try to solve it equation-wise, we would subtract 60 from both sides. And we would end up with negative s is equal to negative 39, which then means that positive s is 39, which is the same thing that we get if we simply said, okay, subtract 60 minus 21, you would get 39. So our smallest number in this case is 39. If you have any questions, let me know.